Hello, everybody. I am just getting my comments pulled up here on my iPad. This is a surprise live, right? Hello, you guys. Welcome. Am I live in the right place? Hello, Julie. I am having a bit of an issue. Here I am. Hello. Hi, Susan. Welcome, you guys. This is a bit of a surprise last minute live. I'm so glad you caught me live too. It has been a while. I noticed that when you popped up, when your name popped up, I thought, oh, I haven't seen you in a while. I have been meaning to get a video up for you guys, like just a regular edited video. And I just have not filmed yet this week. Seems like, hi, Lynn. It's a little strange to see your name here on Facebook. If you know, you know, right, Lynn? There's just been a lot going on. We are settled into summer. Let me give you a little bit of an update. We're settled into summer. Our kids are settled into their summer routine. That's really good. And, we're sort of like, I don't hate to say this, but like, I hesitate to say this. We're settled in for summer, which feels really nice. And then I have been working on several things behind the scenes. So one of the things I've been working on is my mini retreat. And I did this last time for the spring summer catalog, and I had a lot of really great feedback. And so we're doing it again. I do this as a demonstrator event where there is a live portion. So if you are a demonstrator on our groups, then you get to be a part of the live hangout. And then my customers get all of the stuff. I'm going to show you what's in the box. You just don't get to be a part of the live event. And that is just simply because we talk about Stampin' Up related things that are exclusive to Stampin' Up. So as a customer, I want to offer this to you guys. It is the mini retreat box. Let me show you what you get in the box, and then I'll show you some of the projects. I'm teaming up with Roberta, who is part of my Blessed to Stamp team. And she's creating some projects for this. So I don't have all the projects to show you, but you'll get an idea of what you get. And then there's a link if you want to sign up for it. Hey, Dawn. Dawn said, Katina's mini retreats are amazing. Give a thumbs up. Thanks, Dawn. I'm excited to be doing it again with the annual catalog. So the first thing that's in the box for the mini retreat is the In Wild designer paper. So this is a quarter pack of the In Wild designer paper. You don't have to have any of the In Wild product. We're specifically designing our projects so that even if you have to swap out a sentiment, you can still make everything. So with this set of designer paper, you're going to get to make 4 cards. I've seen Roberta's cards and they are amazing. I love what she did with this. This is not my style. So the really fun thing in partnering with somebody is I have no plans to get the product for this, to create with it, because it's just not my style. And so you guys get like both, the best of both worlds, where you get something that maybe I wouldn't be interested in, but you'll get to see some really amazing projects. So you'll get to make 4 cards with this set here. We're going to do some fun things. We're going to dye some ribbon to go on one of the projects, which I'm really looking forward to. I've not done that in a really long time, and I think that's going to be fun. So you'll get to make 4 cards with the In Wild designer paper. You will get a quarter pack of the In Symmetry designer paper, and you will get to make 4 cards with this, and I'll show you those because I'm designing those. So you'll get 4 project kits with that. You'll get a quarter pack of the new In Color designer paper, and you will get to make 3 cards with that, and I will show you that because I'm designing those. So I'll show you those in 1 second. And then you'll get a quarter pack of the new Host designer paper. Now this is really fun because this is paper that you may not want to spend $150 to get the designer paper. And that's the only way you can get this full set of designer paper is by spending $150. And then you get that paper for $18. And you get that by earning the Stampin' rewards. So I think it's $18 and it might be a little bit cheaper. But this is a great way to get that paper. So you'll get a quarter pack of it. It's really beautiful. And Roberta's going to be designing 2 cards with this. So you'll get to make 2 cards with this. And then I have a really special giveaway that will coordinate with this paper as well. So you'll have that. And then there will be 2 scalloped craft boxes in here, and we'll be making some projects with those, so that will be in your box. And then you will get 3 full rolls of ribbon. It is the Flowers for Every Season ribbon, but this is going to go really great with all of our projects. So you'll get 3 full sets of ribbon, and then you will also get the in color jewels. And then that will be really fun to have all of that. And then let me show you the cards that I've designed. So I have the In Symmetry cards, and so you will get card kits to make these cards. With each of the sets of designer paper, you will get an exclusive video walking you through how to make the cards for that set of designer paper, and then you will get an exclusive PDF with photos, measurements, and supplies. You can swap out your sentiments. So like in this case, if you don't have the In Symmetry bundle and you don't want to get it, you don't have to. You can swap the sentiments out. If you're part of Blessed to Craft, you will already have some of this because we're using the In Symmetry stuff this month. So there's those cards there. And then I have my in color cards that I designed, and I really love these. So these are a set that I designed. And our supply list will be very minimal. This is just a sentiment stamp set. You could swap out another stamp set if you wanted, for sure. We try to keep the supply list down so you don't have to purchase everything, because that's always frustrating, right? Like to feel like you have to have every single stamp set or punch or die or whatever it is. So with each of the designer papers, you will get a product kit, and like for your in colors, you will get all of the pieces to make these cards. The box is $40, and that includes your shipping. And then you get everything in the box and it ships to you. And then the end date to be able to sign up is going to be June 28th. So that is when I will close everything and send out invoices. So if you would like to sign up, go ahead and click that link and sign up. Again, it's $40. You get about $32 to $35 in product, and then the rest of that is shipping. So you get a lot of product and you get a lot of value. You will have lots of videos walking you through the cards. Roberta, as soon as she gets her cards designed and she sends them to me, I will be sharing those with you as well. And I hope that you will join us for that. I love doing this box, the mini retreat, and I love doing the demonstrator event. It is so fun to just get a box and then be able to put a bunch of projects together, and I love that. So that's just my quick video for today, you guys. That's the only thing I have for you. I am really trying to get some videos up for you guys, some just regular edited videos, and so I am working on that. And then I will be live on Friday on YouTube, and so make sure you watch for that, and I'll share it over here to Facebook. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're catching the replay and I'm not live any longer, or you're checking this video out on YouTube, and you have questions, you can ask them in the comment section, or you can email me. My email address is just my full name, Katina Martinez @live.com. I'm always happy to answer your questions. if you have them. So thank you guys so much. I'm going to jet so that I can get lunch done for the kids. And then I'm going to be editing photos and writing blog posts and editing videos. So that's what my afternoon's going to look like. So thank you guys so much for popping in here and checking out the mini retreat. And I look forward to crafting with you guys soon again. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.